Separate those roots, separate those roots, separate those locks. Right there, need some separation. I'll separate more in the car. I'm not doing much talking because I want to speed this video up. But I do want to say thank you to my subscribers. I really appreciate you. And I deliberately, with purpose, parted my hair in the middle because I've been watching a few of my videos as I'm editing or going back to look at it. And when I look at it, and sometimes I'm parting my hair, it looks like I have some locks missing. This is the thinnest part of my hair. The locks are not missing, but the gray hair even makes it look thinner at the roots. Yeah, looks like I have a landing strip right there in the middle. And I wanted you to see that and know that the locks are there. And when I get back or in my next video, I may show you how I checked that. But right now, I just wanted you to see me take down my braiding and banding. And my hair is a little damp. And I'm going to get out here because for the last couple of times, I think when I took my braids out, I did my hair in the car. And I wanted to get it done. I'm going to have a relaxed drive. I am. So when you have braided your hair, banded your hair, and not only then, but every now and then, just go through your hair, not only at the ends, but also the roots to separate, to prevent the marrying of your locks. I've been told by some that they've never been told to separate. And it is sometimes quite some work getting these locks separated when you get into the salon with your loctician. And I even heard on a video that some locticians just wear a small scissor or clip instrument around their neck for when it gets that difficult to take apart. So I am getting ready to leave. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. And I especially love God because he's been so good to me. And that took about 9 minutes for me to do. Now, where am I going? You tell me. If you've been watching my videos, you should know. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. I almost forgot my 360.